All right, today we're gonna bring a smoking kit, and this is perfect for those that are casual drinkers, or maybe just want to enjoy a new, different cocktail with a different kind of taste. This is probably the product for you. We're gonna take a look at it and see what you get. You get the actual lighter now out of the box. There's no fumes, there's no fluid in there, but you're gonna have to provide your own, and then just refill this up. This is actually really handy. I actually have one of them and I actually filled this up already with the flames. You got the actual flame controller here, and also on the bottom too, all right, for the flow. Now, they give you a brush so you could clean everything else. They give you these rocks, and these are actually really good rocks. So I'm going to tell you what they are for. A lot of people like to freeze these, and they act like ice cubes, but today we're going to use real ice cubes. And then they got a filter here. Of course, we're going to clean the filter. A little scooper for the actual to get your actual wood that you need to burn out, another brush, and of course, tweezers, and then to get the ice cubes, all right? So the kit is very simple. I'm gonna show you guys how to set it up and how to put it together, right? So let's go ahead and do that. So you get your favorite drink, of course, all right? Make sure you ice it down, nice and cold. You choose your flavor, the beets. We got apple, oak, pear, cherry, hickory, and walnut. So I like apple and cherry, but today we're just gonna get cherry. So make sure you put the mesh in there, and also they include this so you can actually make your own cocktails. Many recipes include it, right? Put this in here, and then we're gonna get cherry. Take it apart, and if you guys can see it, get the little scooper, right? Very simple, little scooper, not too much. Mix it up. You can mix it around, do different flavors if you want, but we're just going to do this one right here. All right, we're going to get the smoking, all right? So we're going to smoke it. All right, look how this beautiful smoke goes on the bottom. Make sure you cover it. Get that going. Smoke some more, burn the rest of it. Make sure all the smoke goes to the bottom. Burn the rest of it off. Look all the smoke in the bottom. Cover it up. And the rest of the smoke goes all the way to the bottom. Give it a couple minutes. If you didn't think it's enough, you can blow some more. Look at that. Blow some more. I love that smoke. Sorry, it's sweating. The glass is sweating because the ice, but look at that. Smoke's trapped in there. Still smoking a little bit. So it's still smoking, if you guys can see it. I'm not going to take a drink on video, but I hope you guys enjoy the video. It smells good. It smells like cherry, wood, and if I shake it, it gives it a nice little twirl. Easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.